Welcome to See Custom Designs. We've taken the bandsaw box outside, and it's really coming into shape, isn't it? This is going to be two. They could be sold as one independently or joined together. Okay, so please follow the series on the bandsaw boxes, where we go over every little step from finding the wood, joining the wood up, etc., etc. So we cut these guys out and we keep shaping them with the bandsaw. All right, I think I'm mostly there with shaping the outsides, okay? Now we have to put drawers in there, so I went in and I grabbed my lovely one. I said, how would you do these drawers? So she did a real rough job of just sort of drawing them out. Now I'm going to use these types of tools so that I can draw the bottoms of the drawers even with each other. That would be nice if they had some continuity to it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here, and I have this guy here to give me the shapes for up and around here. So I'm going to mount you, and I'll just it's going to be really boring, I'm sure. And we'll just sort of go over this, and then we're going to take it down to the bandsaw, and we're going to go and well, not sure what you can see. I think I cut out most of what I had going on there, so sorry y'all on the big TVs. You tell me a lot and I make you sick from moving around. So my goal now, of course, not to get in my own way. I think you get the idea of this. So we're just going to draw out the bottoms of the drawers so that they're somewhat even. And you're going to want to leave some space between the tops and the bottoms. So I'm just going to put lines really across that are going to help me to get the drawers, the tops and the bottoms. So I was really afraid of making bandsaw boxes at first, because just the whole idea didn't make much sense to me, for starters. So I'm pausing because I had to think about the drawer that my wife intended me to make here. So this is it. You just want to get your drawers looking somewhat like they need to look. Okay. And again, lines can be a suggestion. I'm probably going to go, lower when I cut them out, but you'll see. You'll see what that's all about. A lot of fun. Really, you just let your imagination go when you're making these things. It's just really, really cool. All right. You just want to make absolutely sure that you're not cutting into the areas you don't intend to. So make yourself these little lines like so. All right, so that's pretty cool. You're getting the idea. Please leave me your comments. I would love to see your drawers as well. Your drawers, your boxes, your units, your bandsaw creations. So I do like the idea of, they almost look a little Dr. Seuss-y here, don't they? Have fun with it. That's what you got to do. Make sure you don't make your curves too ambitious. In other words, this is very thick wood, and so what you don't want to do is suddenly make those right-hand turns. This might be one of those examples, okay? Because when you're cutting out your bandsaw boxes, they are one continuous cut. You're basically cutting these out of the block, okay? That's sort of what you're doing there. So at first they don't look like much. You're cutting them out. Yeah. And of course you want to leave enough room between the boxes, between the drawers. Sorry, when I talk I'm not really being logical at times. I just, hey, get. Hopefully you can hear the cat. Get. Okay, starting to come into shape here. I get excited at this point, and it takes a ton of patience, a lot of patience to cut these guys out. It's can be tempting to go too fast on the bandsaw. If you've seen the one previous to this, you'll know that there's a certain level of nervousness because my blade is not the sharpest, okay? I think I need to come down a little lower for these drawers, so I think I'll do that right away. Okay, try to erase this guy. There, we got more drawer space. Okay. Tell you what, I've followed the wrong lines in past episodes because the line was there, and when you're on a bandsaw, I don't know about you, but I'm really concentrating for obvious reasons, you know. Really concentrating. So you'll notice I didn't leave any room for that drawer. I'll give it some room now. Okay, so the spaces you don't intend to cut out, just want to make sure that it's very obvious what you're cutting out. All right, so I might want to do something like this inside of each drawer. Just draw these lines like this. One too many times I have had to start all over again because I followed the wrong line. That's kind of what I'm doing. This drawer here is going to be very interesting. I'll show you him when I'm done. Yeah, his handle is actually going to be here. It's really strange concept we got for that drawer. So we're getting there, almost done. Space, space. Didn't really give him a space yet. give him a space. Brace this in the middle here. All right. He is going to be a little bigger. I'll take you out the stand momentarily so you can see this a little closer. What he's going to look like. I really don't want to follow the wrong line. Maybe we'll do something like this. We'll just draw shade in this area. This means don't cut that. It's going to be the top and the bottoms of the drawers. I don't consider myself that creative. And then I see what I do with these boxes, and I realize I do have some creativity inside of me. I think I'm good there. Let's take you off the mount there. You get an idea what in the world I just did. Get! This is Fred or Git. Git! Are you going to help me? Yeah. All right. Hopefully you're seeing, it's making a little more sense here. Drawer. It's going to be really awesome. I'm so excited. Pull them apart and they just come alive. Put them together. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching. If you found my video independently of the series, know that I linked them, well, I'm going to be linking them together for the most part, but they'll be in a playlist. So it's the bandsaw playlist. This is SC Custom Designs down here. Alright. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for each and every episode. Subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. Hit the bell, and you'll know when the next video went up and ready for you to view. Shalom Aleichem.